my town federal signal Model 5 siren is going off right now. This is crazy. It hasn't been off since like 6 years. It only does curfew test. Guys, it's winding down now. This is like an experience for me. This is crazy, dude. This is like actually crazy, dude. Now the train's coming. Such a experience. I think you can hear the train horn. You can hear the train itself. Model 5 you could barely hear. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. It's like crazy cold out here. I don't want to keep recording for 3 minutes. So bye.